Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Huracan GT3 EVO presentation. So I think there are around 10 wrappings for the Huracan GT3 EVO, if I'm not wrong, by Mini GT. So I think I bought only two of it because literally every casting is same, only the wrapping changes. So I don't want to invest more and more on the same casting. So let's unbox and see how this looks. Okay, here is the closer look of the box. Here is the Raging Bull logo, and here is the hologram. Okay, let's unbox it. I'm really sorry for the noise, guys. There are a lot of stray dogs in my area, so please don't mind that. Okay, here it is. The first impressions of this car are this looks really beautiful. The color is really nice. I personally love green color because it's green, it's like the nature's color. So this one looks really beautiful and it's really well made. It's a little bit heavy. It's not too heavy. It's a little bit heavy. So let's have a closer look. So the wheels are actually, no, the tires are made of rubber. So this one is painted here. So it is not any plastic kind of thing. The rear view mirrors are actually rubber, like you always expect in a Mini GT. So they do have some kind of plastic for headlights, but inside that plastic it's that Y-shaped things are painted. This actually has nice detailing to it. This looks very beautiful. You see, Squadra codes. This looks really beautiful. Here is a carbon fiber accents here. So again, this chassis and body both are actually made of metal. So the tail lights are actually some kind of plastic or fiber, if you want. Just trying to shine some light here, guys, so that you can see better. So inside of that lights, that Y-shaped designs are actually painted. It's fine, but anyway, we are not going to remove that and see how it looks. So I saw, I own right now, I unboxed around like, think this is my third Mini GT if I'm not wrong. So I unboxed that Datsun Kaida House collab, and this Lamborghini Aventador SPJ, and this one is the third one. I do want a few more which I will be unboxing. As I mentioned in the older video, which I published on last Sunday. The splitters and fenders, everything looks really beautiful. The rims looks really cool, and these are like slick tires. This is meant for racing. So the spoiler is actually made of metal, so it is not plastic or anything. So we do know Mini GT is not going to roll, but I'm just going to try it anyways, just for the sake of we normally do. Okay, it doesn't roll well, but Mini GT allows you to roll the car. The wheels does wobble a lot. You guys can see it here, but we are not going to play with it anyways, so I'm fine with it. So Mini GT and Tomicas, you are not supposed to play with. You are just going to keep it in a showcase, and that is going to look really beautiful. So the windows are actually tinted. I'm just trying to show some kind of detail here, but Even I can't able to see any details in as you know in person. But it still looks really nice. It is really hard to see because the windows are tinted. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.